Hello, everyone. Today we have a very interesting topic to discuss. We're excited to introduce our new style for 3D visualizations, Japandi. This style is already winning hearts around the world, and here's why. Japandi is a unique blend of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality. It's designed for those who appreciate simplicity, comfort, and natural beauty in interior design. So why is Japandi becoming so popular? It's all about its ability to create a space where it's easy to breathe and live. Clean lines, neutral colors, and natural materials make this style not only visually appealing, but also incredibly functional. An interior in the Japandi style turns a home into a true oasis of calm and comfort. Now, you have the opportunity to choose the Japandi style when ordering 3D visualizations on our website. This style doesn't just look beautiful, it helps your potential buyers see the full charm and potential of your property. After all, when an interior creates positive emotions at first sight, the chances of a successful sale increase dramatically. How can you do this? It's very simple. Go to the storefront section on Getfloorplan.com. Click the Place an Order button on any 3D product card. On the second step of the AI setup process, select the Japandi interior style under the Select Interior Style heading. And just like that, you can easily add elegance and warmth to your projects. The Japandi style not only meets modern buyers' expectations, but also helps you sell properties faster by offering a unique yet versatile design. Thank you for choosing us. Getfloorplan, your key to successful real estate sales. Use the promo code GETSTART on your first order and get a 35% discount. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything important.